This is Samsung's brand new fitness ring, and in typical Samsung fashion, it does more than just track your health. And wait till I tell you about the charging case. First, let's talk about what the Galaxy Ring does. It has 3 sensors on the inside of the ring that let you track your heart rate, steps, workouts, skin temperature, and even your sleep quality. But not just how long you slept, it'll also track your heart rate and respiratory rate throughout the night, your nighttime movement, your skin temperature throughout the night to help women predict their menstrual cycle, and even how long it takes you to fall asleep. It then uses all of that information to give you recommendations to improve your sleep. The Galaxy Ring also ushers in a new feature called Energy Score, which analyzes your sleep, activity, sleeping heart rate, and sleeping heart rate variability to give you recommendations to improve your health through another new feature called Wellness Tips. And if you want to take your health tracking to the next level with the Galaxy Ring, you can enable Heart Rate Alert, which will send a notification to your phone if your heart rate goes above or below a level that you set. Or you can enable Auto Workout Detection to automatically start tracking a walk or run without ever having to touch your phone. And if you just want to make sure you're not sitting for too long throughout the day, you can enable Inactivity Alerts, which will send a notification to your phone when you've been inactive for too long. And now for the fun part. Since the ring detects movement, you can double tap your thumb and ringed finger together to either take a picture with your phone or dismiss an alarm. And I'm positive that Samsung will add even more customizable gestures in the future. And if you ever lose your ring, you can use Samsung Finds to help you locate it by making the sensor LEDs flash. And all of this can be had with no subscription fees, unlike some other smart ring manufacturers. But what good is all of this if it has awful battery life? Well, fortunately, the Galaxy Ring has up to 7 days of battery life with the size 12 and 13 rings, and up to 6 days of battery life with the smaller rings. And the charging case can recharge a completely dead ring in just 80 minutes. But that's just the start of what this charging case can do. It also has its own built-in battery for up to 1.5 extra charges. That means you could literally take this on a camping trip for up to 2.5 weeks with no access to power and still be able to track your health with the ring the whole time. Well, except for the short amount of time that the ring's going to be on the charger, that is. There's also a button on the case that will show you how much battery you have left on your watch by filling up an LED ring. If you push the button while the ring is out of the case, it'll show you how much battery life is left in the case. And if that wasn't good enough, the case can also wirelessly charge either on a standard wireless charger or on the back of a Samsung phone that supports wireless power share. But there is of course a USB-C port on the back if you prefer. In terms of design and durability, the ring is water resistant up to 100 meters, has a titanium grade 5 finish, as well as a concave design to help reduce scratches on its surface. It also has an extruded line so you know which side is supposed to be facing the inside of your hand, and it comes in 9 different sizes ranging from about a US size 4.5, which would be what Samsung calls a 5, up to about a US size 11.5, which Samsung calls a 13. Fortunately, in the first part of the purchase process, Samsung sends you this sizing guide to help you figure out which size is right for you, and I do recommend using this guide to make sure you get the right size. The only surprising thing with the ring is just how lightweight it is. Like, it literally weighs almost exactly the same as a penny. And while that's a big win for comfort, it does make it feel a bit less premium when you're holding it in your hand. That said, if I had to choose, I'd personally go with a lighter weight over a more premium feel, though it would be nice to have both. The Galaxy Ring is available for pre-order starting right now with the links in the description and pinned comment. Those are affiliate links, so if you want to support the channel at no extra cost to you, using those links is a great way to do it because I literally couldn't afford to come to these events without those of you who use my links. So a huge thanks to you guys. And if you want to know which phones are worth upgrading to the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 6, you can check out this video here. That's it for this tech episode. God bless guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.